beautiful people, Abcill here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna do the unboxing of my new drone, the V9 mini drone 4K professional. Let's see and let's try to look at the packaging here from the forwarder from J&T Express. So this one I have here, and I got this one last week. Ayan. So let's try to look at it, what is inside. Actually, this is a drone dual camera, and I have not tried it yet, how to maneuver a drone. I'm so excited on how to manipulate or to navigate this one. So it is wrapped with bubble plastic. Ayan. Properly wrapped out. There we go. There we go. Ouch. It was really wrapped. Here it is. Look at this one. So I will have to detach this black plastic, this bubble plastic. Okay. Take it out. Take it out. Take it out. Ano? Ayan. I got this one from the MI and Go. So sila po yung pinag-orderan ko ng drone for this V9 new mini drone 4K professional, and HD wide po yung angle ng camera. So let's try to have this kasi kung siya makita. Wow! Ganda! Ayan. So from the box to, ito po yung what is inside the box is, here we go. Ayan. From here I have, wow, I have here manual. Ayan o, yung manual. It's about the operating instruction. So it's the manual. And then we'll have to put that one here. The manual. And let's try to look. Oh, ang liit siguro, no? Ayan, naka-plastic pa po. So there's plastic again. And this is the hard case. Let's try to open it. There you go. Ayan. And let's try to, what is inside? Wow, ang liit. Okay, this one, I think sa ano po siya. There is now the drone. Ayan, ang liit. Paano kaya magkakaroon ng wind? Yung malakas na hangin, kaya to? So look at it. Are you sure? I was so amazed. Look at that. So the battery, ayan, it's about compact daw. Compact po yung battery. And then sabi, it's dual po yung camera. Ayan nga, totoo po nga. It has two cameras. Ayan, 1, 2. And, ay, it's here pa. Ayan, 1 and 2. And ano kaya yan? Then let's try to open it. And I don't know how. Slide. Ay, ito po siya. Ayan. Okay. From there, then I will have to open it. There. Ayan, so cute. Ano talaga, pwedeng sa sa pocket nyo lang po. Kasya po siya, pero I don't know. Ayan. Yes. Ayan. Oh, ang liit. Ay, palm lang. Malaki pa yung palm ko, ha? For this. I don't know. Natatawa po ako. Ayan. So, ito po yung mukha ng drone natin. Mas malaki pa yung mukha ko kaysa drone. At saka yung battery, ayan. Parang mas malaki pa po yung cellphone natin. And let's, there. Okay. Ayan. Parang nag-click na po siya. Ganon. Ayan. Tapos, so, ayan po yung drone natin. At saka, malaki pa yung control niya, no? Kaysa drone. Ito, alam po ano ito. Let's see. Ay, ito! Yung mga parts po ng ano niya kasali po doon. Accessories. Titingnan po natin. Saan pa? hindi naman siguro. Anong tawag doon? Profiler? Ay, ayan. Ito. O, pag nahatak po siguro ang mga ganito. So, may extra pa po siya. Ayan. So, extra. So, titingnan po natin. O, may extra na ilan? 4 din. Ayan. Extra. Tingnan natin. Ayan. Tapos, ito. Saan kaya to? Saan kaya? Ganun po ba? Dapat mabasa ko po yung manual. Okay, mamaya. So, ilan po siya? There are 4. I think doon po talaga yan. Tapos yung USB. Ayan, USB po siya. Siguro to charge the battery. And then, the other one, parang sa para sa attachment. At saka yung screwdriver. Yung screwdriver, ayan napakaliit. Napakaliit po. Ayan, yun lang po yung laman yan. Tapos ito, yung extra battery. I think the extra battery, order yung, kasi meron po siyang, pwedeng extra battery po yung bilhin mo. Kasi it will last only for minutes. Oo, konti lang po yun. Mga 15 to 20 minutes yung ano po ng drone. Akala ko ang tagal po nun. But again, it's about minutes pa pala yung paglipad ng drone at saka pababa. So, yung nabasa ko doon. Kaya, I need an extra battery. So, paano ko po yung gagawin yung pagpapalipad kung wala po akong extra bats? Kaya, bumili po ako ng extra battery. Ito po yun. So, I have already a battery here. Ayan. So, may battery na po siya. Yan, isa po siya sa battery kasi yung battery is separate po yung pagbilhin mo. But I try to have an extra battery. I bought another 2 batteries for an extra. So, ayan. So, extra po siya. Extra po yung battery po natin dito. And then, ano na po yung gagawin natin? So, this one, from there, doon po siya. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Yan po yun. Tapos, yung isa dapat, diba? Dapat ma-shoot siya dito. Ayan. From there, di ba nakita nyo yung parang, may parang silver dyan. Dapat ito, naka-attach po dyan sa may silver. Dyan po magkakaroon ng shoot mo dyan. Ayan, shoot. Shoot there. And i-shoot mo din dito yung isa. Ayan. From there, ayan, marunong na po ako mag-attach. Ano bang tawag nito? Ayan, sa gilid. There. Okay, so tapos na po ako sa 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3. And this will be the last one, the 4th one. Sana successful po siya. There you go. Dapat successful po. Ayan. Tapos, from there. Na ano talaga ako kasi yung drone na nakita ko, ang laki po ng drone ng cousin ko, ng friend ko. Oo. Ang laki po ng drone nila. Honestly. Pero ngayon, parang natatawa po ako dito. Parang naglalaro po ako nito ng it's a mini drone or mini drone. Sabi, mini drone po daw. Ano ba to? Ba't di po siya mag-shoot? Di po mag-shoot yung isa. Ayan, okay. Ayan na. Ayan, okay. Ayan po yung drone ko. Look at my drone. Ito po yung drone ko. I forgot to have batteries. 1, 2, 3. 3 slots for battery for the AAA in order for this one to function well. Kasi hindi po siya mag-function kung walang battery. And ito po, titingnan po natin pag ganun po siya. Tapos navigate po dito. So parang ganun, parang navigate. Tapos RF, ayan. Right, left, forward siguro, tapos back. So in the next video, we will have to use this one together with the battery, and then we will try our first flight. Our mini drone, 4K professional, look like the real drone na malaki po. Pero ang liit lang po talaga. So kaya po talaga tinatawag po siya na mini drone kasi ang liit po niya. Mini. Ayan. nagta-transmit po siya. Wi-Fi po yung transmission niya. At yung battery, tinatawag po natin na modular battery. Ito po, modular battery. And it is fixed with high hover po. Ayan. Di ba nakita po ninyo kanina? Then, sabi, dual HD camera po siya. Kasi may camera po dito sa ibaba. And you can have your camera as soon as it will, magpa-flight na po yung drone po natin. And there is also button camera effect. So, ito po yung button camera effect. Titingnan po natin. Then, real-time transmission po daw. So, as I've said, titingnan natin kung yung sinasabi sa review at saka sa description is tama po ba sa ma-experience po natin. Pag-review naman po tayo ng tama. Mas maganda kung po natin to, ma-try po natin. Sabi po tayo na this is really the drone na functional. And there is on here. We're on na pala yung drone ko. Ayan, ready na si drone. Lumipad. Huwag lumipad dito sa mukha ko, drone. Ayan. Ayan ang nagbi-blink na po siya. So, ilang minutes na po to. Hindi siya hindi siya lumipad kasi hawak-hawak ko lang. I need this one para po siyang lumipad. Again, thank you so much for watching and I hope you learned something for today's unboxing.
Thank you for watching! If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you will be updated on my next video upload. Bye-bye!